Another day, another story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the various ways you can earn money from YouTube. YouTube has become a massive platform for content creators, and it's not just a place to share videos but also to earn money. So, without any further ado, let's dive in. 1. Ad revenue. The most common way YouTubers earn money is through ad revenue. 1. YouTube has a program called YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which allows creators to monetize their content through advertisements. 1. The more views and clicks your videos receive, the more money you can earn. 1. However, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible for the program. 2. Sponsored content. Another way to earn money on YouTube is through sponsored content. 2. Companies pay YouTubers to promote their products or services in their videos. 2. You need to disclose to your viewers that you're promoting a product or service, but this is a great way to earn money and get exposure for your channel. 3. Merchandise. If you have a strong fan base, you can create your own merchandise and sell it on your channel. 3. This can be anything from t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and even coffee mugs. 3. You can use websites like Teespring, Spreadshirt, or Printful to create and sell your merchandise. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing. 4. This is when you promote other people's products or services in your videos and get a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. 4. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. 5. Super Chat. If you have a live stream on your channel, you can earn money through Super Chat. 5. Viewers can pay to have their comments highlighted during your live stream, and you get a percentage of the payment. 6. YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription-based service that allows viewers to watch videos without ads. 6. You can earn money through this program if your videos are watched by YouTube Premium subscribers. 7. Crowdfunding. You can also use crowdfunding websites like Patreon, Kickstarter, or Indiegogo to earn money from your viewers. 7. You can offer exclusive content, early access to videos, or other perks to your supporters. 8. YouTube Shorts Fund. This is a program that YouTube launched recently, which pays creators for creating content on YouTube Shorts. 8. This is a great way to earn money if you create short-form videos. 9. YouTube Music. If you create music content, you can earn money through YouTube Music. 9. YouTube has a program called Music Partnerships that allows musicians to monetize their music on the platform. 10. Brand deals. Finally, you can earn money through brand deals. 10. This is when companies pay you to create videos featuring their products or services. 10. You can negotiate the terms and conditions of the deal with the company. 11. Fan funding. Fan funding is another way to earn money on YouTube. 11. Viewers can donate money to support your channel, and you can offer them rewards in exchange for their support. 11. This can be anything from shoutouts, exclusive content, or personalized messages. 12. Product reviews. You can earn money by reviewing products on your channel. 12. Companies may send you their products to review, and you can give your honest opinion about them. 12. This is a great way to earn money and build your credibility. 13. Licensing your videos. You can also earn money by licensing your videos to other websites, TV shows, or filmmakers. 13. If your videos are unique and valuable, you can sell the rights to use them for a fee. 14. Crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing is when you ask your viewers to help you fund a specific project or goal. 14. You can use websites like Kickstarter or GoFundMe to raise money from your audience. 15. YouTube Shorts ads. YouTube recently announced that it would start running ads on YouTube Shorts. 15. This means that creators who create content on Shorts can earn money from the ads that run on their videos. 16. Brand partnerships. You can also earn money through brand partnerships. 16. This is when companies pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. 16. You can negotiate the terms of the partnership and create content that aligns with your audience's interests. 17. Sell your own digital products. You can also earn money by selling your own digital products on YouTube. 17. This can be anything from ebooks, courses, or templates. 17. You can use websites like Gumroad or Teachable to sell your digital products. 18. Crowdsourcing translations. If you have viewers from different countries, you can ask them to help you translate your videos into their languages. 18. You can then monetize your videos in those countries and earn more money. 19. Sell your channel. If you have a successful YouTube channel, you can sell it for a substantial amount of money. 19. There are websites like Empire Flippers or FE International that specialize in buying and selling online businesses. 20. Coaching and consulting. Finally, you can earn money by offering coaching or consulting services to your viewers. 20. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer one-on-one coaching sessions or group consultations to your audience. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. Let us know in the comments which method you use to earn money on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.